Bob, you haven't got to be polite just because this guy's sat alongside you. I mean, is Bob and his colleagues in the industry, are they a necessary evil as far as you're concerned, or can they really play a role?
They can play a role, and I think in the end, whether it's a supplier providing a complete turnkey solution direct to a customer, whether it's a multitude of suppliers under a systems integrator or consultant working with a customer, the key to the success is the value each party brings to the project and the trust and the partnership and the working relationship going through. And sort of from my perspective, we do a large number of installations and solutions for customers where we're sole or prime contractor working directly with the customer. We do just as many when we're working with a consultant who's been engaged by the customer. In some occasions, we've gone in and we've engaged a customer as a consultant, as a sub to us, because we can see the value that slightly different viewpoint brings to the whole project. So I think consultants have a vital role to play. In the end, it's down to the individuals, the companies, on building that trust and that partnership to move forward.
Dimitris Ancholis.
We're doing the same, absolutely. And I believe the role of the consultants are becoming increasingly important. It will be more important in the future as we're moving to open architecture, horizontal architecture. Okay. And it's about win-win for the customer to start with, delivering what exactly the customer is looking for. So collaboration here as well is extremely important.
I think the other things that happens is that we're back to a point we raised at the beginning of the discussion, which is about understanding the requirements, specifying the requirements, thinking through what the business needs. Those things can be done remarkably well with client and consultant relationships. At that point, the consultant may be gone. It may simply be that's the engagement that was required.
Help write a spec, if you like.
And at the other end, down into the delivery phase of a project, the consultant then becomes someone who takes the tie off, rolls the sleeves up and works with the vendors to get it done.
And I think it can make a huge difference from a supplier's point of view, even if you end up being prime or sole contractor to that project and working directly with the customer. If they've had something in advance of that with a consultant that has kicked off their whole thought process and taken it to that next level, then even if the consultant has bowed out, the whole project can then move ahead a lot better because that groundwork has been already done.
The thinking process has started.
Yes.
Yeah.